Hello 7th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We are discussing the lesson application of percentage. Now coming to the worksheet 3, question number 1. I purchased a watch for rupees 330 and sold it at a loss of 20%. Find the SP of the watch. So what all are given? The purchased means what? CP. So solution, first statement, CP of the watch is equal to rupees 330. He sold it at a loss of 20%. Sold means बेच दिया, लेकिन ये SP नहीं है, it is loss of 20%, means loss percent is 20%. Remember, whenever it is given in percent, it is either loss percent or profit percent. Okay. Now, they have asked you to find out the SP of the watch. How much? Formula. SP is equal to, remember the formula, CP into bracket open 100 loss percent, that is why minus loss percent upon 100. Okay. Now put the values, 330 into 100 minus 20 upon 100. That is 330 into 100 minus 20 is 80 upon 100. 10 10 cut, 10 10 cut. So answer is rupees 8 3s are 24, 8 3s are 24 plus 2, 26. The SP of the watch is rupees 264. Answer, SP of the watch is rupees 264. Because it is a loss, SP is lesser than the CP. Okay. Now coming to the question number 2. By selling a TV for rupees 8,000, a shopkeeper loses 20% of his cost. If he sells it for rupees 11,000, what profit or loss would be there for him? By selling a TV means what? SP, isn't it? Selling means SP of the TV is equal to rupees 8,000. Now shopkeeper loses 20%, means 20% is what? Loses, that is why it is loss percent. Now they have told if he sells it at rupees 11,000, पहले 8,000 में जब बेचता है तभी 20% लॉस हो गया. अभी अगर वो 11,000 में बेच देगा तो उसको प्रॉफिट होगा या लॉस. सो फर्स्ट द SP rupees 8,000, he had loss percent of 20%. But now the SP is 11,000, you have to find out the profit or loss. To find out profit or loss, we want CP. CP नहीं रहेगा तो आप लोग कैसे बोलोगे whether it is profit or loss? So for that, find out CP. इधर CP फाइंड आउट करो. फॉर्मूला क्या है? SP और लॉस परसेंट मिलेगा तो CP फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. CP इज इक्वल टू SP इंटू 100 अपॉन 100 माइनस लॉस परसेंट, है ना. CP फाइंड आउट करने के वक्त एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन डिनोमिनेटर में आएगा. सो SP है 8,000 और 100 upon 100 minus 20. So you got 8,000 into 100 upon 80. Isn't it? 0, 0 cut. 8 ones are 8 hundreds are. So you got rupees 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros, you got rupees 10,000. So you got the CP of the TV. Now you got CP as rupees 10,000. Now find out whether it is a profit or loss. Which is greater? SP is greater. SP is greater than CP. Therefore, it is profit is equal to SP minus CP. That is rupees 11,000 minus 10,000. So you got rupees 1,000 profit. So answer, they have asked only the profit or loss. Okay. So the shopkeeper makes a profit of rupees 1,000. Hope everyone understood. So whenever SP and loss percent are given and they have told the SP is so much, again in case if he sells at so much, find the profit or loss. So first you have to find out the CP. Without CP you can't say whether it is a profit or loss. ठीक है? दो sums है इधर, है ना? Now coming to the third sum. A shopkeeper purchased a TV set for rupees 9,000 and sold it at a loss of 5%. Find the selling price of the TV. Direct question, isn't it? So shopkeeper purchased. So 9,000 is what? CP of a TV set is equal to rupees 9,000. Now he sold it at a loss of, already I have told, so loss of 5% means 5% is what? It is loss percent. जो भी वैल्यूज दिया है वो क्या है वो समझने का सबसे पहले. अभी फाइंड द SP. So SP is equal to how much? Put the formula. SP is equal to CP into, now in the numerator it will come, isn't it? 100 loss percent है तो minus upon 100. So put the values. 9,000 into 100 minus 5 upon 100. So you will be getting 9,000 into 100 minus 5 is 95 upon 100. 20, 20 cut. 0. Now 9 5s are 45. 9 9s are 81 plus 4, 85. So you got 8,550. Answer, selling price of the TV set is rupees 8,550. That was the direct sum, isn't it? It was easy comparatively. Now coming to the fourth sum. Sita sells a dining set to Neeta for rupees 6,000 and gains 20%. For how much should she sell it to increase her profit by another 5%? Sita sells to Neeta. Okay, sells मतलब SP of the dining set to Neeta, then it is the SP of the dining set is rupees 66,000, sorry, and she gains 20%, means 20% is the profit percent. In case if she wants up to increase her profit by another 5%, 5% ज़्यादा उसको प्रॉफिट परसेंट चाहिए, तब भी कितने में उसको बेचने का है? What should be the selling price? So for that first we have to find out the CP. So profit उसको ज़्यादा चाहिए, तभी कितने में उसको सेल करने का है? तो first find out the CP of the dining set and then find out the SP. So इधर पहले लिखो SP of the dining set is equal to rupees 6,000. She gains, means profit percent is 20%. But now they are telling what if she has to get an increase of 5% profit, means profit percent पहले कितना था? 20%. Now she wants extra 5%, that means the profit percent now it is 25%. So if the profit percent is 25%, at what rate she has to sell it? For that we have to find out. To find out SP, we want the CP, isn't it? CP नहीं रहेगा तो SP कैसे find out करोगे? So CP is equal to SP into 100 upon 100 plus profit percent. That is 6,000 into 100 upon 100 plus 20. So you got 6,000 into 100 upon 120, 0, 0 cut, 12 ones are 12, 5s are 60 and this 0. So you got CP rupees 5,000. Now the CP of the dining set is 5,000. Now put that CP here, rupees 5,000. Okay. Now find out SP. What is the formula to find out SP? CP into 100 plus profit percent upon 100. Now CP is 5,000 into 100 plus the profit percent now is 25 upon 100. That is 5,000 into 125 upon 100, 2020 cut. Rupees, put this 0, 5 into 125, 625. Otherwise, do it. 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 11 12, 5 1s are 5, plus 1 6. So the answer, Sita has to sell at rupees 6,250. Sita has to sell the dining set at rupees 6,250. Hope everyone understood this. So they have told first she sold at 6,000 and she made a profit of 20%. But now if she wants to have extra 5% profit, at what rate she has to sell? That means in the first case SP is 6,000 and profit percent is 20%. But now the profit percent becomes 5% more, that means 25%. To find out SP, we want CP. So first with these values you have to find the CP, and taking that CP value you find the SP. ठीक है, इधर भी दो हिस्सों में है सम्स, है ना, तो कोई कोई सम्स में ऐसे है. So you have to take care, understand the question properly and then proceed. Bye. Thank you for watching the video.